Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. Burn up the road. It means to drive at high speed. As an exercise for you, he burned up the road in his new sports car. Please practice. White knuckle, which means referring to a situation that is intense, stressful, or frightening. As an exercise for you, the roller coaster ride was a white knuckle experience. Please repeat until really proficient. Next, shark around. The meaning is to hang out or spend time aimlessly without a clear purpose. As an exercise, they were just sharking around at the park, not doing much. Rise in. It means to experience an increase in quantity, level, or frequency. As an exercise for you, there has been a rise in the cost of living over the past year. Buy into, which means to believe in or accept an idea, concept, or belief. As an exercise, many investors bought into the company's vision for the future. Next, yes over. It means to review or approve something once again. As an exercise, the manager yesed over the final draft of the report before it was submitted. Have fun practicing. Table something. The meaning is to postpone or set aside a discussion or decision for later consideration. As an exercise, they decided to table the controversial topic until the next meeting. Time off from. It means to take a break or vacation from a particular job or responsibility. As an exercise for you, he needed time off from work to recharge and relax. Kick back. It means relax and unwind, often at home. As an exercise for you, after a long day, I like to kick back and read a book. Tucker out. It means to exhaust or tire someone out. As an exercise for you, playing with the kids all day really tuckered me out. Please practice what you have learned. Flee from. The meaning is leave a place quickly to escape danger or a threat. As an exercise, the villagers fled from the approaching wildfire. Cloud over, which means become unclear or confusing. As an exercise, his explanation clouded over the main point of the discussion. Beat one's brains out. It means struggle very hard to understand or figure something out. As an exercise for you, I've been beating my brains out trying to solve this puzzle. I hope you are still concentrating on studying and continuing this video. Next. Ramp up. It means increase the volume or intensity of a sound. As an exercise, the band ramped up the music as the concert reached its peak. Pipe down means become quieter or stop making noise. As an exercise, the children finally piped down after their parents asked them to be quiet. Pass up. The meaning is decline or miss an opportunity. As an exercise for you, she regrets passing up the chance to study abroad. Flash by. The meaning is pass quickly or momentarily. As an exercise, the scenery flashed by as we drove down the highway. Dry up means become dry or cause something to become dry. As an exercise, the river dried up during the drought. You can create your own example sentences as an exercise. Speak off the cuff, which means speak without prior preparation or planning. As an exercise, he's a skilled public speaker who can speak off the cuff effortlessly. Tear out, which means remove a page from a book, magazine, or notebook. As an exercise for you, she tore out the recipe to save for later. Stay focused. Rain down on. The meaning is criticize or express disapproval of someone. As an exercise, her parents rained down on her for staying out late. Mop up. The meaning is clean or dry a floor or surface using a mop or cloth. As an exercise, I'll mop up the spilled juice on the kitchen floor. Find by. It means locate or discover someone or something. As an exercise, we were able to find the missing keys by retracing our steps. Tight-lipped. The meaning is refusing to speak or remaining silent about something. As an exercise, he was tight-lipped about the details of the upcoming project. Stifle a yawn, which means suppress or prevent a yawn from being audible. As an exercise, she tried to stifle a yawn while sitting in the quiet library. Wait in line. It means stand in a queue or line while waiting for one's turn. As an exercise for you, we had to wait in line for tickets to the concert. may be useful for you all. Practice what you have learned in this video, so that your English skills improve. Thank you for watching this video. If it is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, so you can get the latest video updates. See you in the next video.